Hello Aryan.
Good evening, sir.
Aryan, today you have to calculate single GST on product.
Okay, sir, I will show you how to do this. So, first of all, open Tally, then select Create Company. Then we can create the company choosing any name. Let us take GST Sheet 1. And in the state, we can choose Rajasthan. And we can skip all these options. After that, in this option, it should be no, and the GST option should be yes. In this also we can skip all the options. So after that, let us go to purchase voucher. Purchase voucher. In that, we should first choose cash. After that, in purchase ledger, we have to create a purchase ledger. The undergroup of purchase is purchase account. In this goods, after that, in this we have to select purchase taxable. Let us take an item, say mouse. So in this you have to create units named as pieces. In unit quantity code we have to type pieces. This is how it will show. After that in this description we have to type goods. In this calculation, on value, item, taxable, integrated tax, let us assume 18%. Then it will in central tax and state tax automatically 9% will show. So let us take the quantity 100 and the rate 200. So we have the amount 20,000. Then we have to create the ledger of CGST. CGST underhead comes under duties and taxes. GST. The CGST is known as central tax. Then the CGST amount will automatically show here. Then after that we have to create the SGST ledger. Duties and tax, GST, and here we have to select the state tax. So the purchase of the goods has completed now. After that we have to save this. Then we have to move towards the sales ledger. In this cash, then we have to select this, create the sales ledger. The underhead is sales accounts. In this we have to select sales taxable. Sales taxable. So we have already created the mouse account, then quantity 100. The rate we can increase, let us say 300. Then we have to create the same CGST. The amount will automatically come. Then SGST. The amount will automatically show here. Then it is entries are completed now. Then we have to open the day book. In this we have to select the sales entry, then Control plus P, then preview, and the GST bill is here. Thank you.